flag, y'all. Queen.
Hey babes, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Suzie, and I'm back at it with another video. To all of my new subscribers, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to join the Sue Gang family. But today I will be showing you guys how I make chicken birrias. So I did go ahead and already marinate my chicken breasts. And that is what you see floating in the water. So I used 3 chicken breasts and 2 drumsticks, and that is a medium-sized onion that I sliced in half, and you're going to go ahead and just throw that whole onion in there. And as you did, I put some peeled garlic cloves in there. I hate like having to peel garlics because it's just such a headache to me. But I am adding some chilies. I do not know how to pronounce the name of them, so I will be inserting it in for you guys. And I did go ahead and peel off the ends of mine. I'm not sure if you're supposed to, but I'm like, yeah, I don't want to bite into that when I'm eating. So I did take that off. And it's easy if you want to pour out the seeds as well, or you can buy them seedless. So now we're going to go in with our chicken bouillon cubes. I believe I put 2, was it 2 or 3 in there? Well, it was 2. I put 2 in there. And we're gonna go ahead and add some salt, some pepper, and our bay leaves, I believe. And y'all, this is my first time trying this. I am going to list her name of where I got this recipe from, because I was seeing it like it was popular all over the internet, and I could not find where to buy it, and people didn't want to let me know. So I'm like, forget it, I'll just make it on my own. So that's what I did. And my bay leaves was kind of broken up for some reason, I don't know. So I did put about 9 to 10 bay leaves in there, and then we're gonna go ahead and stir that up, and then we're gonna bring it to a boil, and I'll be back to let you know what we'll do next. So now that our meat is at a boil, as you can see, we're gonna take I don't know what you want to call it, the fat or whatever. We're gonna try to remove as much of that as possible. I need to get me a strainer, but yeah. So now we're going to go ahead and take out all of the chilies and put them to the side and let them cool down. And about this time, you do want to turn your water down. As you can see, mine is still boiling, and I did not turn it down yet, but that's why some of my water is boiled off. So we're going to go ahead and add our carrots. You can add as much as you like. I just did a couple handfuls. Oh my god, and y'all, this tasted so good. So I'm going to get about 2 cups of the broth out from the pot, and I'm adding it into my little blender thing that I showed you guys, and we're going to blend the chilies up in here and then we're going to just as you can see, I was just showing you, and then we're going to blend them, and we're going to pour it into the pot. And as you cooking this, y'all, I thought it was going to be really spicy, but it was not. When you cooking it, you're gonna smell like, oh my god, this stuff is gonna be extremely hot, but it was not at all. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and stir that in. And I actually cooked this for about 45 minutes to an hour. And y'all, when I say this turned out so well, it really did. So as you see, I was kind of breaking up my onions. You don't have to, it's not necessary, but you know me, always doing something extra. um, but we're gonna go ahead and add some potatoes. I only use two. You can chop them up, and the potatoes is supposed to give it some more flavor and also thicken up the sauce, from my understanding. And y'all, oh my god, y'all have to try this. Make sure y'all try this at home. It's super easy. So I wanted to add 2 cups of chicken broth in there because, like I said, I kind of kept my pot up high and was boiling a lot of my juices off. Well, it's pretty much done. So now we're just gonna go ahead and prep our tortillas, and as you can see on the pot, that is some special sauce. It's some Birria oils for how to boil your tortilla shells. And y'all gotta wait till next week for that recipe. So yeah, I'm sorry. I know. But we're gonna go ahead and add some cheese, some shredded chicken. I did shred my chicken with a fork. Y'all, I really need a chicken shredder because these forks is just not it. So I put some more cheese and onions, cilantro, and you can add your sour cream and all that good stuff at the end, but I'm not going to put it on the pot because I don't want it to be too messy. So we pretty much just flip them over, and they pretty much stays folded over. So this is the tacos. Looks really good, and this is our birria. I'm going to sprinkle some cilantro and some onions on top. Don't mind my stove, y'all. I'm actually gonna clean it up. Y'all understand we cooking right here. And yes, this is the final and finishing of the birria, chicken birria. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, hit that bell button to be notified when your girl posts. And I love you guys oh so much, and I'm out. Peace.